Hey guys, so I just wanted to give you a quick video to show you this makeup look. I know it's not really a makeup look because I'm not wearing any other makeup except for this, but I'm practicing for the Lady Gaga concert, which is Sunday, and I'm really excited. So I just wanted to show you guys real quick. It's really, I like it a lot. I messed up, like right there, you can tell. To add more blue, but other than that, it looks pretty good. And the products I used to make this was just a black eye pencil by Artistry. Plain old black. And I used this NAO liquid eye color in Frivolous. Now, I don't know if you guys have ever heard of this makeup line, but my mom sells it. Frivolous. Yeah, it's like a really pretty deep turquoise color. I like it a lot. And then just on top of that, I used this Too Faced. It came in a pack, a dual kit of two glitters by Too Faced. This one is Catfight. There was a red one and a blue one. Very glittery. Catfight. It's very old. You probably won't be able to find it. But you could use something similar to it. And that is the look. I'll probably do an updated one later tonight when I do like my eyes and my lips and stuff, because I'm gonna go all out Lady Gaga. But yep, so I'm excited about that, and I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching.